We'll guide you through how to fix USB-C EarPods not connecting or sound not coming through them on a MacBook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can go and be annoying because perhaps you're trying to go and watch a movie, listen to music, have a call or edit a video, and so you want to be able to go and use these so you can go and have the sound coming through them and not your speakers. Perhaps you're in a communal space. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and fix it when they aren't properly working. So first of all, go and grab the end, as you can see, and let's go and plug it in. So go and find the USB-C port. Then what you can do is go and push it in like so. Now, when you do this, you should go and get a pop-up on the MacBook saying allow the accessory to connect. Make sure you go and press allow. Now, hopefully it will go and work. And if you didn't go and press allow there, just go and unplug it and replug it, and you should then go and get the pop-up. Press system settings in your dock or press search in the top right and go and search for it. Then on the left, you can scroll down and go and find sound. You want to come down to output and then double click on EarPods, and they should then go and be used. That's it, they should now be working.